Hi guys, I am Banderhard Pilapin. I'm going to report the story We Were Liars by E. Lockhart. Title and author. Title: We Were Liars suggests deceit or falsehood, hinting at hidden truths within the narrative. It relates to themes of memory, family secrets, and the unreliability of deception. Author: E. Lockhart is known for her exploration of complex characters and intricate plots in young adult fiction. Her background in psychology may influence her focus on characters, their final struggles, and relationships. Plot summary: We Were Liars follows Cadence Sinclair, a wealthy teenager, as she tries to piece together memories of a traumatic event that occurred during her family annual summer vacations on a private island. Structure: the story is organized through a mix of present-day narration and fragmented memories, creating a sense of suspense and mystery. Conflict: the central conflict revolves around Cadence uncovering the truth behind her family's secrets and her own lost memories, which ultimately lead to a tragic event. Setting: time and place. The story primarily takes place on a private island near Martha's Vineyard during the summer months, emphasizing themes of privilege and isolation. Atmosphere: the idyllic setting contrasts with the underlying tension and darkness of the characters' secrets, creating a sense of foreboding. Characters. Protagonist: Cadence Sinclair, whose journey of self-discovery drives the narrative forward. Antagonist: the oppressive weight of family, expectation, and secrets serves as a collective antagonist. Supporting characters: Cadence's cousin, the Liars, are her dysfunctional family members play significant roles in shaping the story. Characters development: Cadence evolves from a naive and certain teenager to a more introspective and resilient young woman as she confronts the truth about her family and herself. Themes. Major themes: memory, family dysfunction, privilege, and the consequences of deception are prominent themes throughout the novel. Major themes: love, guilt, and the search for identity also contribute to the complexity of the narrative. Point of view. Narrator: the story is narrated in the first person by Cadence, providing readers with intimate access to her thoughts and emotions. Perspective: Cadence's unreliable perspective adds layer of ambiguity and suspense to the story, challenging readers to question the reliability of memory and perception. Literary devices. Imagery: vivid description of the island and its surroundings evoke a strong sense of place and atmosphere. Symbolism: the Sinclair family, wealth, and privilege symbolizes both their power and their isolation from the outside world. Metaphor and simile: Cadence often compares her family dynamics to fairy tales, highlighting the fantasy-like facade that masks the harsh realities of their lives. Irony: the twist ending reveals the true nature of the characters, relationships, and motivation, subverting readers' expectations. Foreshadowing: clues scattered throughout the narrative hint at the truth behind Cadence's memories, building suspense and anticipation. Tone and mood: the tone oscillates between nostalgic reminiscence and mounting tension, reflecting Cadence's conflicted emotion and the ominous undercurrents of the story. Mode: the mode shift from dreamlike nostalgia to airy unease as truth behind the Sinclair's family secrets is gradually unveiled. Context. Historical context: the novel's exploration of privilege and family dynamics resonates with contemporary discussion about social inequality and dysfunctional family structure. Cultural context: the Sinclair family's elite status and insular world reflect more societal issues related to class, wealth, and power. Historical context: Lockhart's background in psychology may inform her announced portrayal of characters' internal struggles and relationships. Style. Diction: Lockhart's prose is poetic and evocative, enhancing the atmospheric quality of the narrative. Syntax: short, fragmented sentence mirrors Cadence's fractured memories and fragmented sense of self. Pacing: the pacing is deliberately slow at first, gradually building suspense until the climax thematic revelation, critical perspective, different lenses. Feminist perspective may highlight the novel's exploration of female agency and autonomy, while psychoanalytic readings could focus on the character's subconscious motivation and desires. Comparative analysis. Fewer liars share thematic similarities with Lockhart, other works such as Sigmund Freud, and can be compared to other contemporary young adult novels that explore themes of privilege and deception. Conclusion. Summary of analysis. Fewer Liars is a gripping exploration of memory, family secrets, and privilege, told through the lens of an unreliable narrator and infused with poetic flaws and suspense pacing. Interpretation. The novel ultimately underscores the transformative power of truth and self-discovery, challenging readers to confront their own perception and assumption about privilege and deception. Personal reflection. Lockhart's narrative technique and thematic depth make We Were Liars a compelling and thought-provoking read, offering insight into complexities of identity, memory, and the pursuit of truth.